there, children. Do you all want to listen to a story? Today, I will tell you a story of letter B. The name of the story is Bugsy's Bike Ride. Who is she? She is Bugsy the bee. Who is she? Bugsy the bee. Bugsy the bee went for a picnic along with her friend Bitty the butterfly and Babu the bear. So she filled her big bag with bananas, butter, bread. What did she fill in her big bag? Bananas, butter and bread. Bugsy put her bat and ball into her bag too. She put her bag on her shoulder and picked her bottle of water too. Bugsy the bee, Babu the bear and Bitty the butterfly. They all got onto their bikes and went for a ride. Where did the three friends go? The three friends on their bikes went for a picnic.